Today I'd like to discuss how you can use Qigong to help heal your body. Hi, I'm Jeff Chand, acupuncturist, practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine and Qigong instructor. One of the main reasons why people seek out Qigong practice is to help heal their body and sometimes their mind. This is a great tool to be used with other modalities as well. Healing can also happen from Chinese medicine, acupuncture, Western medicine, herbs, massage, physiotherapy, pharmaceuticals. Everything is all very helpful. And the idea is to use them all together to figure out your perfect formula that will help you the most. One of the underlying beliefs in Qigong theory is that your body and your mind actually wants you to be healthy. It's a natural state to move towards, to be healthy, vibrant, full of good energy, to have a good emotional state, to have a calm and clear mind, to want to connect with people, and to actually be able to and want to do the things you actually want to do. If you have an interest or a passion or something you're just curious about, it's natural to be drawn to it and want to give your energy to it. But sometimes we just don't have the energy, or we just don't feel good, so we just don't do what we want to actually do. So Qigong can help with this. So the way I'd like to think about it is to think about a tree or a plant, much like this one over here. Now, what does a tree or a plant need to be healthy? Well, it needs good soil, it needs good air, it needs water, and it needs sunshine, and it needs one more thing. So when we want to be healthy, we need those similar types of things. We need the earth, which is providing us the nutrition that we get from our diet. We need air, we need to breathe. We need oxygen that we can get from our environment. We need movement, which might be represented by the sunshine. And we also need water to hydrate our body. We can't live without water. But we also need that other things just like plants do. That other thing would be time. We need time. Our body needs time to grow. Plants need time to grow, to draw in those nutrients from the ground, to take in the air, to absorb the sunshine. We need that as well. And in this day and age, we're so busy. We have so many distractions, so many things to do. There's always one more thing to do, and we just don't give ourselves enough time. I'm not suggesting at all to stop doing what you need to do or what you want to do. But what am I suggesting is to give yourself a little bit of time during Qigong practice, whether it's 10 minutes or 20 minutes, ideally around 20 minutes. Just stop, breathe, absorb the energy from the sun. Let your body unwind, let your mind unwind. And just for 20 minutes or so, that's all you really need. If you can do more, that's great, but you're more likely to do something more consistently if it's a shorter amount of time, rather than to focus on doing an hour-long practice every day. Because most likely, I know if you're busy, you probably won't get around to it. So it's better to try to do a short 15-20 minute practice every day, rather than once a week, hour-long practice. So Qigong gives you that space, that time to let your body unwind, let your mind calm down and settle down. And you combine that together with deep breathing, with gentle movements, and getting the circulation moving throughout the body, the blood circulation and the Qi circulation. Then it's a wonderful combination to use along with everything else that you're doing. So let me know in the comment section below, would you like to see more of this style of video where I'm just kind of introducing different ideas and topics to you? I know many people like watching the Qigong practices and following along with the routines. And we have several here on this channel, which are full, great routines that you can just do those routines daily. And that's going to be enough to help you heal and grow like the plant. And we also have quite a few full Qigong routines at our website at qigongforvitality.com. Here we have the community, which is an online library of many different types of videos, and also different videos where we explore different concepts and we go a little bit deeper into the concepts of Qigong. If you've liked this video, please feel free to like it and share it with someone who might benefit. And also, again, leave a little comment to let me know if you'd like to see more of this style of video, or if there's any particular topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.